Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a nice day before we begin the video. Please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. General Hospital Weekly Spoilers, Willow lashes out. Meanwhile, someone is at risk while another hatches a new plan on GH. Check out the latest spoilers for the ABC soap opera. General Hospital Weekly Spoilers, Willow Tate goes off on Sasha Gilmore. Official General Hospital spoilers confirm Willow Tate confronts Sasha Gilmore. Now, Willow's husband, Michael Corinthos, knows about the kiss she shared with Drew Kane Quartermain on the 4th of July. And it didn't take Willow long to figure out that it was Sasha who told Cody Bell. Indeed, Willow can't believe Sasha betrayed her confidence. But she just needed someone to confide in after witnessing the kiss. However, this is likely the beginning of the end for Willow's friendship with Sasha on General Hospital. Once she finds out that Sasha Gilmore slept with Michael, she'll never forgive her. GH next week spoilers, Cody schemes with Tracy. While Willow Tate, Caitlin McMullen, flips on her bestie, Sasha Gilmore, Sophia Matson, two friends strategize. Currently, Cody Bell, Josh Kelly, is spiraling after learning that Sasha is his cousin. Also, he's furious that Drew Kane Quartermain, Cameron Matheson, isn't suffering consequences for his rotten behavior. Especially because he tried to be a good person, it's getting him nowhere. Soon, on General Hospital, he conspires with his good friend, Tracy Quartermain, Jane Elliott. She can't stand Drew either and wants to get rid of him. So, it appears that they cook up a plan to take him down. Meanwhile, Brooklyn Quartermain, Amanda Seton, and her husband, Harrison Chase, Josh Swickard, make a huge decision. Perhaps, they decide to move out of the Q mansion and focus on starting a family. In addition, on General Hospital, Robert Scorpio, Tristan Rogers, and Holly Sutton, Emma Sams, continue their trip down memory lane. Later, Holly faces rejection, possibly by Robert but more likely by Sasha. General Hospital Weekly Spoilers, Carly in danger. More GH spoilers see Carly Corinthos Spencer, Laura Wright, in shock. Later, she turns to Jack Brennan, Charles Measure, for help. Then, Brennan fears that Carly's safety's at risk. Perhaps, Jen Sidwell, Carlo Rhoda, targets her. Later, her son, Michael Corinthos, Chad Duell, gets suspicious. Meanwhile, Sam McCall's, Kelly Monaco, family and friends continue to struggle with her sudden death. Her fiancé, Dante Falconeri, Dominic Zamprogna, gets support from his dad, Sonny Corinthos, Maurice Bernard. Then, his mom, Olivia Falconeri, Lisa Lo Cicero, shows up on General Hospital. And he confides in both of his parents. Meanwhile, Alexis Davis, Nancy Lee Grahn, needs something from Christina Corinthos Davis, Kate Monsey, and Molly Lansing Davis, Kristen Vaganos. No doubt, she wants them to reconcile to honor Sam. Later, she confides in Sonny. Then, something horrifies Christina. Also, Ava Jerome, Maura West, is apologetic to someone. Plus, Jason Morgan, Steve Burton, has a heartfelt talk with Diane Miller, Carolyn Hennessy. Elsewhere, on General Hospital, Anna Devane, Finola Hughes, gives someone awful news. Then, Dr. Portia Robinson, Brooke Kerr, confers with Dr. Isaiah Gannon, Sandy Wilson. Meanwhile, Lucas Jones, Van Hansis, opens up to Brad Cooper, Perry Shin. Additionally, Jason has conditions for something and Anna voices her skepticism. Later, Rick Lansing, Rick Hurst, visits Anna, and Jason gets called down to the PCPD. GH is wild and shocking right now with changes happening everywhere and rattling Port Charles. Keep watching to see if Sasha and Willow Tate's friendship can survive on the ABC Sudzer.